Do you wake up with sore jaws or headaches? You might be experiencing bruxism. Bruxism is the involuntary grinding or clenching of teeth, often occurring during sleep. It can lead to various issues such as jaw pain, headaches, and dental problems. Physiotherapy offers effective solutions through tailored exercises and the latest technologies, including ultrasound, shockwave, and radiofrequency treatments. These methods aim to relax muscles, improve alignment, and reduce tension. Say goodbye to discomfort and embrace a pain-free life with physiotherapy's holistic approach to bruxism. Contact us today.